Hey everybody, how's it going? I think my mic might be too loud here. Let me just lower it. Lower the music a little bit too. Saja and Prime, hey, how's it going, everybody? And Suko, hey, how you doing? Happy Saturday, everyone. So today on the agenda, if you see the title, is Creative is Streaming 101. Basically, what I want to do is just showcase a few things, and the first thing, Leo, hey, how's it going? The first thing I want to do is how to tweet out your stream, which I haven't done yet. I haven't tweeted out, so we'll start with that. You just got done with streaming? Oh, nice. Well, hold on. Let me shout you out there. Let's just check out what you were doing. Little Alchemy. I don't know what that is. Little Alchemy. I'm alright. I did just recently wake up from a little wee nap because I'm old and I'm allowed. I felt when I first woke up there, I felt like I was hungover, but I didn't drink yesterday, so I don't know. I don't know what's up with that. All right, can you guys hear the music? It's nice and jazzy, real jazzy, baby. Okay, let's get started with tweeting out your stream. You go live. It's a game you like? Nice. Alright, go switch to this scene here. We'll remove this guy. And we'll move that for now. And we'll go here. Oh, I need my, hold on one sec. I'm gonna need this over here. So I know that I've actually switched scenes. Just eating some food. I saw on Twitter that it's Sparky. It is Sparky's birthday. It is. All right. Chrome. Okay, I've got Chrome enabled here. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, I took the wrong thing out, so I gotta get rid of that. Get rid of that. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now you guys can see. Oh wait, I gotta get rid of. Whoop, get rid of the title. Don't need the title there. All right. So we go to the Twitter, and you can see my mouse, right? Okay. All right. So usually what I do is I'll go here and I'll say something like since we're doing I'm doing a creative, we'll do creative. Actually, we'll do first start live. Do some little bracket thingies there. You know, creative stream with. I usually go my name, and then I'll do another @ symbol space, and then what I do is I'll go to my stream. I'll just copy and paste my Twitch thingamajigger there. All right. And I'll just go streaming 101 more or less. And do some more of those, and then I'll grab some emotes. Oops. Go. All right. Let me just minimize this window so I can go and grab. I have, I keep files, right? And what's in these files are, I have bot commands, I have Twitter stuff, I have Twitch stuff, and so I try to organize it all, and so that it's easier for me just to plug into any Twitter. So right now, I'm not doing a game, so I don't need to tweet to Bethesda or whatever, right? What we'll do is we're going to tweet these in hashtags. We got hashtags as well. So I'm going to go here. So, you know, you got and I also want to tag Bebo, because I will be showing off a little bit of Bebo. So we got Bebo Official here, because I'm going to be showing off some of their stuff. And let's take a picture. So what we'll do is we'll go to my folder here to and let's find some pictures here. What can we put up there as a picture? I don't know what I'm going to put up as a picture. Not doing a game. Got images here. I don't know what I should put up as a. So not doing a game. I don't have anything for creative yet. I actually haven't gotten a picture. How about we let's Google creative, maybe GIF. Copy image. No, I don't want to copy image. I want to save image as, and then we're gonna go over here. We'll put it under Twitch stuff, under Twitch logos. We'll put it there. Then we'll close that. Go back to Twitter, and see. So you have a few things here. You have add photos or video. You can add a GIF. You can add a poll, or you can location disabled. My location, I guess, is disabled. Okay. Anyways, let's just go here. Creative. There we go. So live creative stream with me at. So you always put your Twitch address so it's clickable. Then a little title. I like putting emotes, and then I do stuff that, like, you know, your stream tweet. These are like these are like Twitch sharing sub streamers, you know, and then hashtag Twitch, Twitch affiliate, Twitch sub streamers, support small streamers, the 111th, Savage, you know, and Gamer-G. Some of them are like retweeters, so they'll retweet your stuff and that. And then of course I got Bebo Official because I'm going to show some Bebo stuff. All right, there we go. So let's just tweet that, and there we go. So there, my tweet is done. And let me get my BTTV here set up for left side chat, because it's way at the other end. I have 3 monitors, so when I have it on my right side monitor, it's like really far for me. Nexters is in the house. Hey. People doesn't work for you? Well, maybe we can get over that. Not bad, just finished eating, okay. SVMA, how's it going? Thanks so much, everybody, for stopping in. Okay, so we have done the tweet, and we can also go to your notifications. You can sometimes thank people for retweeting, you know, if they liked or retweet your tweet and stuff like that. Everybody here is liking and retweeting the tweet that I did for Sparky there, wishing him a happy birthday. All right, so now let's go to here. Let me bring back my stream here, so you actually can see my stream. I'll put it back here in this browser source here. There we go. Let's close that. Let me bring back OBS. There. Okay. So you actually are looking at my stream right now. I know it's going to be weird. Hey, Sparky, how's it going? So I know it's going to be weird because it's going to be layered on layered on layer because you're actually looking at my stream. Okay, okay, that's getting okay. That's enough of that. That's enough of that. Let's switch here. Okay, let's go to a new tab here. That was really hard to look at. Okay, all right, so that's done. All right. So that's basically what most of us do. There's different ways of going about how you want to tweet out, but it's always a really good idea to tweet out your stream, and to as many people as possible. A lot of times, if we're doing a Fallout game, we'll tweet out to Bethesda. They have at least 2 or 3. When I was doing the Telltale game, Tales from the Borderlands, I would tweet out at Telltale and as well as at Borderlands, and I got actually a few likes from there. Sparky's been doing, he's been adding Xbox One X, and they've been liking his tweets there. So, and Doc does a lot of celebrity tweets as well. You know, celebrities, voice actors from games he plays, from Fallout to like Fallout 3, Fallout New Vegas, you know, Elder Scrolls, or whatever he's playing. So that's right. All right, so one of the things I want to show, so let's go down to my, let's go to Nightbot. Yeah, go to custom commands here. Okay, so basically this is my Nightbot, okay, and all you have to do is go to nightbot.tv and you know, and it'll pop in your thing. So you got commands here, and it says custom and default, and you know, usually there's if you go to the dashboard, one of the things is it'll prompt you to log in. If you've never used Nightbot before, it'll prompt you to log in with your Twitch account, and once you do that, there'll be a blue thing here that says add to channel or something like, or join channel. You have to click on that or Nightbot will never show up, right? And of course, when you do that, then first things first. Hey, Iron, how's it going? You have to mod your Nightbot. So if I go mods, you should be able to see this because I'm showing my stream now. As you can see, MooBot and as well as Nightbot are mods. And the way you do that is you go /mod and then whoever the name is you want to mod. Okay, enough of that. Let's go back here. It's just weird. So once that's there, Nightbot will always stay in your channel. Like, it's very rare that he'll actually go out. And the same thing goes with most of the bots as well. WiseBot and MooBot. There's like a join channel button. You can't forget that step. If you forget that step, they won't be in your channel. And so here, basically, I usually always just go to custom, and that's where all my commands are, and I can tweak them here, I can edit them and whatnot. And mind you, I usually do it in my chat more so than actually, but sometimes I will come here and do stuff here. I also have the timers. There is song request, but I couldn't get the song request to work. I don't know why. I couldn't get it to work. No, but yeah. All right. So let me bring up the Bebo thing here really quickly. There we go. All right. Okay, there's Bebo. Let me just scroll up here. And Figment's in here. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Yeah, if I haven't said hello there, I do apologize. I'm kind of just I'm kind of winging it here, by the way. Yeah. All right, so folks, this is the live window of Bebo. Okay, so this is your preview. Okay. It has your title and your game here. Obviously, this is not changed here because I haven't changed it. You can do a test. So it says start a test stream without going live on Twitch. And what this does is just to make sure everything is running okay. And Prime, I think that might have more so to do with the browser source, because I think you're using Stream Elements. What you could do is go to their Discord, and that might help, because they're really good. They have a help channel under Discord, and you can just type whatever problem you're having. They're awesome. The support team is really good. So as you can see on this side under activity, okay, under activity I can see people who've hosted, who have cheered or subbed or followed. They all shows up on this side, which is really cool. And they also goes by day or not, so it's really neat. It's really handy to have that there. Over here you'll have your audio sources. Now if I was actually using Bebo, because I'm actually using OBS right now to showcase Bebo, that's the only way I can do it. Here I would also have mic, but right now there's only desktop audio. And then over here on this side would be, can you see the mouse button? You cannot see them. Hold on one sec. Let me go back here. Display capture. Let me capture cursor. There we go. Sorry about that. I forgot to capture the cursor. All right. So in the middle. I'm waiting for. Oh, there's the mouse. Okay, in the middle here, this is where you have your preview. The right side is where you have all your alerts, and all these alerts are, I believe, for me, are coming from Streamlabs, if I'm not mistaken. You got the audio stuff over here, and if I was using Bebo, it would have the mic. And then, of course, you got your scenes here, and the control things here. Those are the hotkeys. Okay, and on this side would be the chat. You actually have it, so it's all in one. So you can see who's hosted over here and who's done stuff, and at the same time you can also read chat, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna skip these other ones over here just for now because I want to go to settings. So here, your computer internet, it tells you, well, the CPU, GPU, and it tells you your network, and you can do a rescan. Because I'm in Canada, I'm farther away from the Bebo servers, so it does take a little while. And it seems to be, and it seems to, like, by default, I have like, I think this is the ping. My ping is horrible right now. I think that's ping. And this is the upload. I actually have, I pay for 21 megabits upload, and I have 250 download. But because I'm so far from the servers, you know, they will be getting servers up in Canada at some point in time. Down over here is the stream settings. So 720p at 30 frames. There's no reason for me to go any. Well, they don't support any higher anyways, but that's, I still stream using OBS. I still use those settings. The Twitch bitrate is set to auto. Max is 3000, which is fair for most people to use. Then you have your Bebo bot. Now they automatically have like the Bebo command, and you can add other stuff in here. I haven't really bothered because I already have more than enough bots to do stuff. They have a microphone setting here, but it's coming soon, as it says here. They haven't set it up. You also got your Twitch channel, so you can do your title here. As you can see, the Twitch title has changed now to Creative. Streaming 101, more or less, and then Creative. I've slimmed down my little thing in the brackets saying XB1, TVMA, and putting the game or whatever in the front so that it's like the first thing someone sees. It's always a good idea to do that, I think. So let's say if you're doing Fallout 4, you put Fallout 4 here, then your little, like, what platform. I used to have like XB1, English, 18 plus, Canada, and I figured you don't really need all that stuff. And even the TVMA you don't really necessarily need, you know, it's not necessary. Then you do a little smart ass title like I usually try to do, and then I figured out how to put emotes. You can put emotes in your title. I'll get to that later. And of course, this is what are you streaming? Are you doing IRL, Overwatch, like a game? No, I wouldn't be doing Overwatch. That'd be funny. And I'm doing creative, so. And of course, here we have are the hotkeys. Now you can do hotkeys for your sources, which is your like webcam, mic, as well as this stop and start stream, test stream, that. But I usually have it for my scenes, which is ending soon, AFK, starting soon, live in game, and I already have them all set up. All right, so now we're going to go to the editor. This is the editor. Okay, let me, I feel like we're in a computer class. Flips a table. I'm so bad with computers, I'll never stream. Crazy pills. Yeah, you guys have to remember, I went to school specifically for computers and electronics. And eventually, I started building and repairing PCs. I've probably built and repaired PCs. This is a long time ago, though. Probably thousands. And then eventually got working as client support. And then eventually I started building servers. Became a Unix administrator. And now I'm an application support analyst. So I know computers, for the most part. Sometimes they still piss me off. But this is now the editor, and right now I have it set up to ending soon, and this is like a it's not, I guess you could say it's not an overlay. This is from Bebo, and it's called text shared. I've just added a few things. So in this particular case, I've got this is a text right here. You just go text. And you can just type in whatever you want, and you can choose the font, you can choose the color, and like that. This scene BG is this entire thing right here that you see, all the green there, and that's basically the I guess you could say it's a I guess I don't even know if it's a GIF or whatever. I don't know what it is. If you click on this, you can lock, unlock, show, hide, cut, copy, paste. So the audio source, I have desktop audio. You can also add your mic if you want to still talk over this particular scene. This thing, let's call the Jedi Crawl. I'd have to go to, let me just open up my Streamlabs, because it's from Streamlabs. And I'll have to log in with Twitch. Just bear with me there. It's a new thing they've added, okay, which is called the crawl. If I can find it here again, where is it? Chat box, no. View count, credits. Is it credits? Yes, it's credits. Okay, there we go. Okay, can I? Is there a way? Where's the testing? Where's the test? Here's test roll credits. There we go. Now I'm going to test the. Now it's weird with on the site, on the Streamlabs site, it says that the black background won't show up. Like I see it in my editor, and I see it on the stream as well. Well. Maybe if I actually had the actual scene, it might show up. Maybe they're saying it's not supposed to show up, But what it does like a Star Wars crawl, and what it'll show, okay, at the end of the stream, this is what it's going to show. It'll show followers, subscribers, donations, cheers, and moderators. So it's like a thank you to everybody, basically, for showing up. I think it's cool. I like it. It's kind of cool, man. Mang. What you got, Mang? Alright. So that's the ending soon. Here's the AFK one. There's nothing really special about it. It's just I got my title, which is just a text. I'll show you in a minute how you do a text. It's pretty straightforward. Of course, you've got the background scene. And then I have here screen 2. this will actually have my game's always on my middle monitor, so which is screen 2. So the game will actually be here. So when I go and take a break, you'll still see the game in there, right? And I'll show you in a minute how to add all these things. Okay, I'm just showing you right now what I have. And the starting soon is the same thing. I've got the text up here, and then this is the main, whatever you want to call it, background, and then scene 2, of course, again, is the game. And I don't think I'm probably not going to have my mic in these. I don't think there's any reason to. And of course, if I went to live in-game, this is the live in-game where I only have the chat box. I have my can't really see it there very well, but it is there. Here, let me just no, that doesn't even help either. No. And then you got the in the middle, like the whole thing is will be the game capture, right? So all right, so let's go here. We'll add a new scene. So let's add a new scene, and this is where you can add a bunch of templates. They have templates, categories. You know, you got minimal. Okay. You know, they got all these different starting. Be right back. Stream is over. Away from you know, stuff like that. They got Kingdom, New Lands. Hotline Miami, which I'm not sure what that is. So they have all kinds of different. Now they do have a Fallout one, and now the Fallout one is very similar to the one I've been using. Okay, which is the Tech, whatever it's called. Yeah, Tech. Testing. Now, can you hear me? I don't know what happened there, guys. Yeah, for some bloody reason. Hey, what happened to... Oh, I gotta tell Bebo about that. There's a bug for... Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't know. I just lost the mic. I had to unplug my headset and plug it back in, and of course, Bebo crashes when that happens. I don't know. I think that's a known bug. They are aware of that. If you unplug your mic, your headset. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I did not mean to do that. Let me just scroll back up here. Ooh, fish and popcorn. A whole lot better than pineapple on pizza. Ugh. Is it better to do a screen cap or a game cap? It depends. Okay, if you're playing a game on your PC, okay. I think they do suggest that you use game capture. You can still use a screen capture. Because I usually tend to play Xbox games, I use the Xbox app, and I'll show you that in a minute. Let me open up. Hold on. Let me turn on my my Xbox. There, it'll take me 2 seconds. Hold on. All right. Okay. I just turned on my Xbox. I'll have to let it. Well, what's so funny? What did I say? What did I say? I'm old. I don't remember yesterday or 5 minutes ago. I'll show you guys the Xbox app part. But if you're playing your game now, it obviously has to be a registered game with Twitch. Okay. Now, what by that mean is all you have. They do have a list of all, and they usually support all the games. But there are some games that are not in the list. But hypothetically, let's say I know Prime, you do Diablo 3. It's a registered game. You know, if you're playing that on PC, I think Bebo does suggest that you use a game capture. If it doesn't work, if the game capture doesn't work, try a screen cap. The screen cap might work. I use screen capture because I don't have a choice because I'm capturing my monitor. So what I do is I'll put my oh, here's him. Okay, the pizza. Yeah. I'll put my game's always on my middle monitor. I have 3 monitors in front of me. It's always on the middle. So I have my Xbox app on the middle monitor, and I'll show you that in a minute. And so what I do is that's why you always see when I show you my here. Let's go here. Screen 2, well, that's my middle monitor, and that's why I always do a screen capture of my middle monitor, and it captures my game because it's capturing everything I see on the monitor. And OBS actually does that as well. It's called a display capture, and I could never get window capture to work with the Xbox app. For some reason it never worked. And actually with the Xbox, with OBS, game capture actually works with the Xbox app. I'm not sure why. But with Bebo it doesn't. Maybe down the road, but I don't know. I have no issues using a screen capture. It seems to work for me. So yeah, so there's that. All right, so let me open up. I'm gonna move the Xbox app here to my first monitor, so you guys will be able to actually see it on the stream. Because I'm actually capturing within OBS, I'm actually capturing my first monitor, not my second, because I'm not playing a game right now. All right, so this is the Xbox app. Actually, it's the Xbox beta. I have both of them installed. I have the Xbox app and Xbox app beta. And so you see it shows you all your regular Xbox stuff, tells you all the last games you're playing and what you're playing right now. And because it's tied in with Windows 10, it says last played OBS Studio. Kind of funny that it shows that, but so anyways, what I usually do is I go down over here where it says connection, and there's the it says connect to your Xbox One. So you can test the streaming, you can go more controller. I usually just hit the stream and there we go. And it comes up and I can select I can move my because I have my controller connected directly to the to my PC. It works via the Xbox app. And I can select all the games game I want to play, right? And oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's just go to the home, go back home, go to my games, and usually I'll just select a game. Is there any updates? I gotta see if there's any updates while I'm here. So right now, as you can see, I'm doing it's a screen capture through this one's through OBS. It's actually I think this one's actually a window capture, or is it a display capture? No, I think it's a display capture. Yeah, it's the display capture. So it's a screen capture. No updates, nothing in the queue, nothing in the queue. Everything else is already installed. Okay. All right. So basically here, I'm going to move this out of the way here. I can. Come on. I want you to move. Oh. I'll just minimize it. There we go. That's better. Alright. So that's just kind of like showcasing a little bit of and that's there's more stuff that Bebo can do, eh? They've introduced. If I go over here to updates, it brings you a list of stuff they've now added recently. Now they do support the new Elgato Stream Deck. I don't have one. I can't afford it. So multiple videos and cursor in capture. That's new, actually. That in fact you can actually see my cursor. That's actually a new feature they've added. And having multiple video sources. You can add a game capture, a screen capture, and a window capture. So that's kind of cool. They've added that. And you can scroll down, and it says layer all the things. I'm not haven't really like basically means you can layer things on top of each other. Before you couldn't really do that. Now you can, which is also a nice feature as well. And like I said, the Bebo is still in alpha mode, and so there are bugs, but the guys are really good about it. They always seem to respond very quickly, and they're always there to help because they want to make this the best streaming app out there. Now there's a couple ones you have a lot more choices now other than Bebo. There's the old-fashioned OBS. There's the new Streamlabs OBS, which I have tried, and it's not bad. It works okay. And there's XSplit. I don't think I've ever used XSplit. I think I tried, and I think they wanted you to pay for it or something like that. So I said, forget that. I'm not paying for a streaming software. Every time I stream music before I start, but I have the game on in the background, but you can hear music and yes. They only have support for one audio source, okay? Like, so it's always your desktop audio, always. Oh, you going, SVM? All right. Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll probably be doing some kind of gaming streaming at some time or another. I don't know when. Turn the game volume down. Order for the stream not to hear it, or is there a way to bypass that? I don't think there is. You may have to go into their Discord and maybe talk to some of the people in there. Oh, SVM, it's you want to go for you're going for is it bedtime or is it just nap time? You're going for a little wee nap. Is that what you're doing? Anyways, right now, like my music is being played. It's a media player, and it's desktop audio. Right now, mind you, even though I have OBS, I only have the 2 audio sources. But you can, in OBS, you can add more. But in Bebo, you can't. It's always the default desktop audio. So you only have 1 audio output, 1 audio input. Now I know they are going to be changing that eventually, where you can have, let's say in your particular case, you want the, if you want to both music or if you don't, yeah, I guess in your particular, in your instance, like, okay, let me see here. Here's my audio. Here I'm using ear trumpet, and it shows me all my my audios here. Okay, and you can actually turn things down here. Like, I have the this is obviously going to be my game. It's the Xbox app. I can turn that all the way down. Let's say, so if I have let's say starting stream, if I have the game audio is on. If I don't want to hear game audio, I just turn that all the way down, but I got to remember to bring it back up. And for the Bebo, the reason why there's a Bebo and OBS here, that's if you don't want to hear the stuff, you can actually turn that down, right? So if I turn this down, I won't hear alerts. This is the music that's playing right now. I've got it set to about 30. I didn't want it too loud. I just want it in the background. I use OBS. I can't figure it out. It can be a little tricky. I stopped using OBS because it started giving me a lot of issues. There was, I think there was a kind of a domino effect with Twitch having issues, and OBS having issues at the same time. But I really do like Bebo. I like the way it's sorted. It's a one-stop shop kind of thing in the sense that you can, when you go live, you can see everything. Okay, there is a guide. Okay, so let's see if we click on this little link here at the bottom. When you click on this little present, it says updates. It brings up this thing. Way at the bottom, you go read guide, and of course, it brings you here. Let me just put this over here. And it says, getting started with Bebo, easy as 1, 2, 3. And so they have a guide. You can actually go through here. Let me just put that in the chat. There you go. And so, yeah, so they show you. It's actually a little movable. I guess they made little GIFs and stuff like that, right? So. Alright, so let's close that. We don't need that anymore. You guys can just click on that link there at your leisure, and yeah, I can give you a hand there at some point there. I just wanted to do a quick little stream today. This is actually once I go over the past broadcast of this particular stream, make sure everything is okay. I'll be uploading this to YouTube, and I'll be tagging all kinds of stuff, like tagging Bebo, Twitch, and all that, tagging everything, all kinds of stuff. Okay, what I want to do is I want to show you. I found out where the stream key is. Now, not sure if I'll be able to show you this exactly. Is there some buffering happening here? I'm getting buffering. Is it buffering for anybody else? Let me know. Let me know. Now, okay, there we go. It's back. All right. Okay, so I need to show you where the stream key is. Let's see if I can do this here. I'm going to open up my channel and I'll slide it over. I don't know if I can. The last time I tried to do this yesterday, it didn't really work. Come on. Ugh. I got too many things open right now. It's complaining. It's going, no, you can't do that. Come on, over there, move. My PC is crying right now. All right. So, I'm bringing you guys to the dashboard. My dashboard, specifically. On Twitch. Okay. So, this is the layout of the dashboard on Twitch. It'll pretty much look the same for you guys. Why is it buffering? Okay, and it still hasn't switched yet. No, anyways, over here you got your video broadcast. There you got Premiere. So I haven't really used the Premiere, and you got reruns, and it shows you all the reruns. Now, since I've already done all the reruns here, I can actually get rid of these. So I'll just get rid of these right now. I don't know why it's buffering there, guys. I apologize. Maybe Twitch is doing something. I'm not sure. You can reset the key, Jedi, so if you show... No, I'm not going to show you the key. I know you can reset it, because if I reset it, I'll have to put it back in the browser. But I'm trying to figure out why is it buffering. Here, let me just reset the video here. It still hasn't switched. Has the stream stopped for you guys? I think the stream is crashing. Because it hasn't gone over to the my new scene, which I see in OBS. I'm showing the dashboard for Twitch, and it's been at least 30 seconds, and all I see is a little circle. Maybe it doesn't like